Hot and steamy for the past week or so, and we have more probably near record heat in the next several days. First of all, right now it's 88 degrees and it's after 10 p.m. It's still feeling like 100. You know it's a hot week in New Orleans when it still feels like triple digits, and it's after 10 p.m., although it does look pretty nice outside. But yes, certainly the hot and muggy weather is going to be here. The intense heat actually has been here. Today it was 96, yesterday 97. That was a new record high. Before that 95, and 2 days before yesterday, we tied a record high of 97. So today we made it almost as high as yesterday, and our average high is 90 degrees right now. Taking a look at two things. This is the record highs for each day this week. It depends on the actual day, of course, and whatever highest temperature this is for at the airport in Kenner, the highest temperature for each of these individual days. So of course the daily high temperatures are different. Here is what we're forecasting for this upcoming week. So we will be very close, 2 degrees away perhaps on Monday, maybe a degree away on Tuesday, and actually on Wednesday, my forecast high for Wednesday is just above the record high. Now notice Friday, the record high jumps to 101, and that is not extremely common. We do have days where the high is 101 or the record high is 101, but just kind of looking at how common that is, this is for the MSY, the airport in Kenner. The all-time record high there is 102. There have been 4 days, though, with record highs of 101, so not that many. Friday is one of them. And then 4 days where the record high is 100 degrees on the dot. That has happened about 20 times per year where we have the record high at that range. So again, it's hot. We've been in this kind of range before, and we will be again. But just to kind of remind you, 102, the all-time record high, that was from that memorably warm or hot year, August 22nd, 1980. Today it hit 96, so we were not quite at that range, but also just several degrees away from that. Slidell 104 is the all-time record high for that site, and today it hit 97 there. So this week with that upper pattern, we just have the big high, which has moved a little bit to the west, settling right over us midweek, and then maybe retreating a little bit farther west for the mid to end of the week, and then it's right back over us, building almost directly overhead for next weekend. So that's why this week is just looking so hot and steamy, and the high makes it hard for cooling clouds and rain to form. Current temperatures in the 80s, feels like temperatures again as high as 100 at the Kenner Airport, and our live radar is quiet. There have been a few coastal showers and storms today. We had a little bit of very slightly drier air move in with a little front backing into our area. Not enough to make a big difference today, but at least we didn't have a heat advisory for at least parts of the area today. We might not have one issued tomorrow just because the heat index might top out at 105 instead of soaring to 110 or 113. So your wake up forecast for tomorrow, 70s or even lower 80s. We started today at 84 at the New Orleans sites. Tomorrow about 95 for the high, and a slight chance for a couple of afternoon storms. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Heating up quickly and a slight chance, especially in the late afternoon. A quick check, by the way, on our tides for tomorrow. You can find this always on our website and app, but just look how hot the lake is right now. The water temperature is 96. This is at the new canal site off of Metairie. So very hot. Of course, a hot tub is 100 degrees, so almost there for the lake temperature right now. Here's your 7-day forecast. The tropics quiet, no development expected for at least the next 5 days.